Okay guys, this is a video about the Toyota Avensis, how to reset your oil maintenance message when it is going over 20,000 kilometers and you change the oil and filter. And after changing the oil and filter, if you don't reset, it will ask you again the same thing. As you can see right now, it will go for all the Toyotas from 2010 to 2016. But if you start it and you can see the messages is coming after a short while, it will show you that you need to reset the oil maintenance. Let me see if I can show you. And you can see that there is a oil maintenance required, but I have changed and I started to see this. I have to reset that. It's a very sometimes you have to go off and find it out, but you have to stick to this very easy way to reset it. The only thing you do, you take the switch hole off, and you do not turn anything on. Just go to that side here. You press it with one of your fingers and one finger here, and while turning the ignition back to on, it will go from 4, 3, 2, 1, and then everything will be reset. I'm having troubles having my cameras there, but anyway, I'm holding this and then putting it back. Let's see if now I turn the ignition on and it goes 4, 3, 2, 1, and everything is reset. Right now I will not have this problem. Look at that. No messages will come. And it's very easy to reset. That's it. Like, comment, and share. Thank you.